YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy Will. I'm coming back with another video. I'm back on the L150 in the back, in the cab. But right now, what I'm looking at, I'm finna try to pull this motor off this truck, man, so it can get ready to get put in the cutlass over there. You already know where it's going. So this what I'm working with right now. I know y'all nigga like, what the fuck that you have going on? But hey man, if it work, don't fix it. You know what I'm saying? Well, I'm finna try to pull this off, and I want y'all to be the witness. That's why I turn the camera on. Y'all gonna be here every step. So let me see what's going on, man. I'm sick of that motherfucker get off. I don't pull it up a little bit, I know you see, but time to take the scraps off and shit. So I'll be right back. Let's see. Take the scraps off for you. Time to put that motherfucker down where it need to be. Inside the cutlass. Sit so. I'm so ready. Now how the fuck did I get this in? How the fuck I got that in there? Okay. Moment of truth. Everything on hook. Man, I hope my motor don't fall, man. I paid too much money for this motor. Let me hop out of the truck. All right, hold on, y'all. Hold on, let me get back with y'all. Oh my God. I got shocked by this thing right here. And after that, then what happened? I don't know why I ain't had a camera on. That's crazy to me. But I ain't finna turn it off now. Y'all finna be right here while I try to fix this motherfucker, man. Damn. Now go down, go down. Look at the motor. I gotta fix this mother, man. Damn, that bitch sideways. Damn. Hold on, y'all. I'm about to fix this. I'm about to turn y'all back. I don't know, can y'all see me from right now? Oh yeah, I can see. Yeah, y'all. I need to start talking to y'all, so cause I want y'all to I need all my goddamn people that trying to support me, people that trying to goddamn be a part of this journey. And I don't even know what I'm talking about, bro. I just want to be a goddamn, I want to start YouTube shit on, man. But y'all finna making that motherfucker want to slide down, but at the same time, I want y'all to goddamn fuck with me, man. It's not my first rodeo or the YouTube shit. It's just the first time, man. A lot of shit was going on, so I had to stop. Damn. Look how the motherfucker did. It did disassemble. I don't know how to fuck. The struggle. I got an idea, man. Got an idea. But I don't know. I'm gonna use that crane instead of this one right here. But I don't know, man. What y'all think? Like the video right now if you think it's gonna work. Dislike the video. Not can you dislike? Comment if you think. Thank you. Just let me know. Just let me know what's gonna happen, man. I'm gonna try it though. Another thing, put in the comments. Would you do this with your 6.0 motor, LS 6.0 motor? Would you do what I'm doing right now with your 6.0 motor? In the comments. Let me know what's going on. Talk to me and I'll talk back. But how I'm gonna do this though? Pull it up. I don't start on it, but I'm gonna let this all the way down. Hit the motor. Damn. Just so that sucker don't fall the other way. I don't want to get shot again. I need to go put on them gloves. But on top of that though, man, I'm gonna try to put that on that let that bitch lift up, pull the truck out, sit that bitch on the ground, hopefully. Cause that really off. If I let that bitch down, I just lift it up just a little bit, pull the truck up. Drop that bit down. I'm with the wind in though. Let me go put on these gloves though. Let me go put on these gloves. Man, y'all pray for me, man. Y'all pray for me. Man, if it work, man, y'all gotta subscribe to the channel, man. If this work, and if I get this motor off this back of the truck, man, subscribe to my channel, man. Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on. That bit lifted up, ain't it? Come on, man. And it's staying. I'm gonna let it sit for like another minute or two. Make sure that bit don't drop down, cause if it drop down, I want that bit drop back on the truck, not on the ground. But at the same time, you know what I'm saying, that bitch actually got down. I'm excited, man. Get that bitch off my truck, man. That motherfucker be weighing my shit down, burn a whole bunch of gas. Boy, I be burning some gas. Nigga been burning some gas, but that motherfucker. But now, a nigga back in the door. Let me goddamn pull my truck up now. Let me set y'all down. Man, that closest I'm gonna get right off. man, subscribe to my channel, man. Man, let me get me a thumbnail. I'm gonna go get a tie. Got a tie for your ass. Bring that ass here, boy. Oh, look at all the goddamn. Man, another thing, man, if I ain't said it, I know how to say it, man. Man, but if y'all can't subscribe to my channel, like this video. This show help me out. And that'd be very nice of y'all. 2024, we going up, baby. And I want y'all to be a part of it because y'all going up too. So let's see. Will it be go all the way down? Damn. Let's see. Hold on, y'all. Something. Hold on. Man, I hope my motor don't fucking fall, man. But I'm finna screen it up, y'all. I'm finna tighten it up. I ain't even leave it right here. I'm finna put it on the carport over there, right behind the cutlass. But for right now, time being, I guess I'm gonna wrap up the video, man. Man, appreciate it. If you made it this far in the video, man, make sure you hit a thumbs up, man. Hit the like button down there. Make sure you subscribe too, man, because it really just, it helped me, it motivate me, so, you know what I'm saying? And I just got the LS6 off the truck. It been on the truck for almost a week and a half. Tight shit, but hey, man, finally got it off. Finna try to get it dropped into the cutlass, man. But at the same time, hey, got the motor off. I'm gonna wrap up the video right here. Y'all appreciate it, man. Hit the thumbs up, subscribe to your boy. It's your boy Will, and I'm out. All right, y'all boy.